Quick concept check on candlestick basics. I'm looking at a chart at Home Depot, which has an interesting candlestick here, a high wave candle. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this so you can see that a little bit better, and we'll get that nice and blown up. And this is a red candle, and so, we could look at some of these previous candles again in the cage. And what we're tracking here is the open, the high, the low, and the close. So when it's a red candle, the opening is the top of the candlestick body, and the close is the bottom of the candlestick body. Okay, and then the upper shadow, that marks the high. And so that upper shadow, at one point in time, that candlestick was up here and then it came back down. So we know what that looks like. And then down here is the low. So it's open, high, low, close, or sometimes referred to as the last traded price. On green candlesticks, you get the open at the bottom of the green candlestick. You get the close at the top of the green candlestick. The high, you can see a tiny little shadow there if you look closely. That's close to a Mariposa, which means a haircut type candle. And then you got the bottom shadow down here where you can see the low. So again, you see the open, the high, the low, and the close. Now, to get a good look at that, I'm going to drop this down into an intraday chart. We'll go down to 1 day, 1 minute. And here is the opening bell. Ding, 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 ding. So that's the open. The price shot up to a high out there at 284. That's what creates that upper shadow. It came all the way down here and established the low down here. And then it ran back up and it closed here at 198.01. So we basically get the open, the high out here at the top, the low down here at the bottom, and then the close slightly lower than the open. So that candlestick would be filled in red on that daily chart. And that's basically what you saw here on the daily chart. Again, zoom in on that candlestick. Saw the open, shot up, came down to the low, and then closed lower than the open. These are fun breakout sessions. I hope you're enjoying the step system.